Then stop telling people how much to donate, how to do what, and how to. It never made sense to me why people want to tell other people what to do with their money and how they should use their money or how they should help.
Perfect. Perfect.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today, let's talk about something that I did see. That this was a trending topic. Don't remember which week it was. Should have written the dates down, but don't remember which week it was. But this is one of those trending topics I wanted to talk about because I've been speaking about them. Or which one is that? I was just speaking or talking about them to my brother, and so why don't we start off? So the thing that I saw when it came to this COVID-19 is it brought out it brought out the best in people and the worst in people at the same time. There are people that have been helping, which that is so much appreciated. Like, this is aside from the essential workers and the healthcare workers that have been at the front line of all of this, helping us out and even putting their own health at risk and all of that. And besides all of these people, the police, the doctors, the nurses, the cleaners, the store clerks, and all of these people that actually had to go to work so that we could actually flatten the curve and make sure that this virus does not um, claim more lives. Besides those people, um, who have been doing great. There's also been a bunch of different people that have been donating, whether it was electricity, food, money, vouchers. But basically, what I wanted to talk about was the charity work that other people are doing or celebrities are doing, and then there are people judging them for how much they're donating. Um, like when the time where they were saying that I think it was Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates who donated 25 million US dollars, and people were just saying there was 0.04% of their salaries or their money that they have. But the thing is, they did do something, which is something I never understand with people trying to police how people use their money, including the rich. Yes, even if they had gotten their money the wrong way or they done this, but to tell you the truth, you cannot tell someone what to do with their money, which is something I never understood, especially when it goes to charity. Even if I donate 25 rands out of my 25 rand salary, you know what? At least I did something. Did you do something, or the only thing that you want to do is judge someone? Because that's the part that I just don't understand. Stop telling people how much to donate, how to do what, and how to. It never made sense to me why people want to tell other people what to do with their money and how they should use their money or how they should help. And you going like, oh, as if you're in somebody's account telling them that this is how much you should donate. Like, why would you ever do something like I saw when Lasizwe helped out with electricity, and the only thing that he wrote was use it wisely, which is not like he's policing you to say no, use the electricity like this. And then I started seeing people going off like, oh, see, this person is telling like on Twitter is just, for someone like me who did not have social media growing up, and then I got the shock of social media. Like in grade 10, that's when I had my Facebook, which I was not even using. The face Exit era just skipped over me. Did not participate in that at all. Then I got into Facebook, but even when Facebook was big, still skipped over me because I was not participating really in that. Did not really understand it, did not really like it, so I just left it at that. Then when Twitter also was going up and all of that, also that kind of skipped me the hell lot. Still don't really, besides just looking at trending stuff and all of that, there's nothing much I do with Twitter. Sometimes it's toxic, sometimes it's good. It does good things like, the KFC proposal. Sometimes getting people certain things to be done when it came to pedophiles or rapists, or the Me Too movements also moving online and all of these things. There's good, but there's also bad when it comes to bullying, when it comes to people just canceling people now. And you know the canceling that's happening now where everybody is falling during this Black Twitter period. I was still, is this something we're rating still? I mean, if everybody is falling every day, like, what's the point of it? Like, you're listening whatever effect that thing had. It just seems like ever since the Shimza thing started of falling, I feel like when Black Twitter South Africa did, it just started going like, after a while I started reading every day while somebody was falling, and I was like, okay, I'm just over this. Ain't not anybody gonna do this. But anyway, I digress. I don't know why I took a whole other tangent on this. But But basically, I saw that on there and I was like, why the hell would you keep to tell somebody? At least they help somebody. And the only thing that he said was use it wisely, which is true, because the electricity will be charged like that, and then you will end up with nothing. And the person is not telling you like use it this way, don't watch TV, don't do this, don't do this. And then you have people who are almost like they had their guns loaded and they were always ready to tell you that, oh, you're saying it wrong, oh yes, you donated but it's not the right way, or you didn't donate the right money. Like I still don't understand why people feel like they can go and tell somebody they're going to go tell somebody. And it's always funny that sometimes it's people who have not done anything that always have a plan of how somebody can use the money. Like let's say somebody raised the money like 50,000, and then they decided that they're gonna help out, maybe they're gonna help out just 50 families. Somebody will go like, maybe you can help 100 if you just took the money and divided. We're like, wait, the person came up with this plan, raise money this way. You can come up with your own plan, and you can raise money, and then you can do as you want with it. But don't go when somebody came up with an initiative, now you wanna dictate to them how they do it, and if they don't do it the way that you want them to do it, then you start attacking them. Like, what the heck is the logic behind that? What is I just is something I never understand. Like even when Casper Nyovest was being told like, we're still waiting for, or when Patrick Motsepe was being told that these people donated 1 billion, we're waiting for Patrick Motsepe. Like, why were you waiting for him to do anything? If he wanted to, he didn't need to do a damn thing. He could have just sat on his money, which would not have been wrong either. Stop trying to tell people what to do with money. Like I saw when the thing like recently, and like a thing where Oprah and some other people were doing a fundraising, and people were like, oh, Oprah, why is Oprah doing a fundraising? She's worth billions and all of that. But that initiative might have not even come from Oprah. It could have come from other people, and they wanted it to her because of the influence that she has. Again, it's her money, and most of these people that you go like, you're not doing this here, are people who do things. Do you know how many schools Oprah with other people funded by other people have built in South Africa that has allowed a lot of kids to go to school? Do you know how many other initiatives that she never boasts about that she could have done, including Patrick Motsepe with this foundation and the things that he has done and all of that? And I know some person will go like, no, but these they get tax cuts. But but at least the tax cuts actually go to do something. It actually in the end has helped out a full community or helped out people in need. Instead of trying to judge someone on how they're using their money or how they're doing this, maybe try finding out if they actually do other things that you're not seeing in public because they're not showing you, like, oh, I'm helping out like this. Do you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is an opinion. I could be wrong. Tell me what you think of it, and don't attack me. Just tell me what you think of it, because we all have opinions. This is just mine, and this is just my point of view. That was basically it. Those are the things that annoyed me. Those were the things that annoyed me, and those were the things that just didn't make sense to me. Stop trying to tell people what to do with money that they have. Stop trying to tell people how to live their lives, basically. But anyway, that's all I had to say. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share with your friends this video. And thank you for the support, guys, and thank you for watching. Again, this was just an opinion. This was not facts. This was just opinions. This is my point of view, and I would love to hear your own views on the comment section. I want to know what you think of it. What you think of people doing charity work, people trying to analyze how much money people should give and all of that. Just tell me what you think of it. Just give me your opinions. I would love to hear from you. And it's free, guys. Don't forget. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell on the side so that you get new notifications as I upload. I am going to be uploading videos, 2 videos each week. So that's gonna be what? So that's gonna be 8 videos a month, and I'm gonna try to be consistently uploading, unlike last year, which I didn't. I'm gonna be uploading my videos twice a week. And I hope you guys like the sit-down ones, because those are the ones that I'm going to be doing for now, because she ain't got no money to be buying ingredients to do the tutorials. But I will get back to doing the tutorials in time. So guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.